Oh my god, dude! We got one!
Welcome back to another Fishing Masters episode. Today we're going to be catching catfish in Luisetta. So, you take this, put your finger here, this around, toss like that, and then you twist, keep on twisting around, this, okay, do that about 10 times, right, then you have this, right, and you also have this loop right down here, right here, so what you need to do is put this through there, right, and then that gives you another loop, these two. So then you put this through there, and then take this, take this, and you pull it tight. And there you have improved clinch knot. Now that you have this, the 3 swivel, and you have the attached to the main line, take a leader mono. Could be any weight mono, depending on what you're fishing for, and you wanna tie on this so that you can attach your weight to the bottom. If you wake up, it could be for me because I slept out on the dock. Wake me up and tell me if we have catfish. Measure about 1.5 feet of line. About 1.5 feet, and this is where you're going to attach your weight to the leader. Tie on 3-ounce weight. Cut the excess line. So final step, tie the leader, which you're about to create, to the last swivel. Okay, you want the leader to be about half the weight's length, so about 3/4 of a foot, and add a little bit extra for your knot. Okay, so basically what you want to do is you want to tie an improved clinch knot, connecting hook to the leader, just tied into your middle swivel. Oh, alright, so basically your final product looks something like this.
Alright, so first line, we are casting in. We got the chumming working, which is good. Now we also have 3 other lines. Riley's casted the second one.
Okay.
Cast it out to that little, yeah. Nice.
Nope, move it over. Put it with the...
Over there. Here.
In here?
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. Are you sure about that? Okay. That piece?
One. That one. And we chum
the rest.
We're just chumming all this right now to throw out into the near that post and near the
Okay, that looks
dock.
good. All right, unscrew and then throw. Okay.
Now we take this out.
Yep.
all that nice chum thrown out. Then forward to the post over here. There's a lot more there. Oh yeah, kind of. So right now it's 8:39, and we are just going to try to burn some time and wait for these rods to twitch, and hopefully we'll catch something. But for now, we're just waiting. What's up, guys? It's the morning, and we're checking the lines.
See that? Fish coming out.
Bro! We got a catfish! There's a fish down there currently. Pretty small. Don't let Pippin touch that thing. Pippers. 1. Not overreacting.
Okay, we have 3 right here.
That's 3. That is 3 catfish. There's still 3. Yo! One of those is actually big. One of those is giant. That one right there. Yeah. It's a big mama. Look at the size comparison. That thing versus
God.
Uno.
I did not pick that one. Ooh, stop it. It's all cut off. You getting this?
Yeah.
Just a little.
Let's weigh these. Hold up. Bruh.
Holy crap, dude. Yo, look at the size of that. £2, 3 pounds, 2.5 pounds. £4. Wow.
Ayo. Alright, I got it.